Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyambura. I make content on garden, home and lifestyle. So today we are going to make a Kenyan typical meal that most of us like to do during the festivities, and that's pilau. So here I have set out my ingredients, and as usual I'll show you my shortcuts. I'm always having shortcuts in the kitchen. So here I have potatoes. I like to put some potatoes in my pilau. I have about 3 tablespoons of pilau masala. I have salt. I have my rice, 3 cups of rice. Then I have my onions. I like to put a lot of onions in my pilau. Then I have ginger and garlic. And then I have my meat, which I've already boiled. And my shortcut of the day is beef broth, which I use instead of water. So I'm going to be having 6 cups, like twice the rice that I have. So I'm going to add, these are 3 cups of bone broth, and then I'll add 3 cups of water. And that's it for all the ingredients. Let's go to the pan and cook this meal. So I've already put my pan on, so let's just go and cook. So I like to start with very hot oil, and then I'm going to add my onions. So the secret is to let these onions brown, not burn, but just brown nicely. So we're going to give them some time to brown. So once the onions have browned, I add my meat. I have boiled this meat with some ginger and garlic paste. So I just add it. So I want the meat to cook until it's a bit dry and a little bit crunchy. Then I'll add my ginger and garlic on the other side, so then they can cook together. So the reason why you want to add your ginger and garlic at this stage is so that they don't burn, because ginger and garlic will cook faster compared to the onions. So you don't want to add it too early. At this point, I'll also add my salt. And I'll add my potatoes and my pilau masala. This is about 3 tablespoons. The way I determine my pilau masala is I add 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of rice. So you really can add more or less depending on how you like it, but this is, to me, this is usually perfect. 1 heaped tablespoon of pilau masala to 1 cup of rice. And the best pilau masala is the one that you freshly grind. If you have the unground one, and you toast it in the pan for a bit and then grind it just before you cook, it usually has a better aroma compared to the one you buy ground. So we are going to let this to cook for a bit for the spices to get into the meat and the potatoes. Then we'll come and add our rice and our water and our broth. Then we'll cover and let it cook. So we want the meat to cook a little bit to absorb the spices. So you see the meat looks a bit brown, and the potatoes also look like they have had some relationship with the spices. So we are going to add our rice at this point. So I've already rinsed it. cover it. And once it's boiling, then I'm going to put down the heat, and then we'll come and see what has happened after about 15 to 20 minutes. So finally our pilau is ready, and this is how it looks like. It's all cooked, and it's not sticking to each other, and it's not too brown. It's just the perfect way I like it. So yeah, so this is the final product, and that's it for this video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So please also remember to comment, leave us a comment, try this recipe, and take a photo and tag us on Instagram or Facebook. I'm on Instagram and Facebook still as Nyambura Simiyu. And always remember, if you have a vision, add some passion. I'll see you in the next one.